Without even coming with a camera, this is the Sony Ericsson J220, which was released in 2005. The J signifying that it was a junior. The dimensions were 102 by 44 by 18mm, and it came in at only 82 grams. 65,000 colours STN screen. The resolution was 128 by 128 pixels. Coming in at the lower end spectrum for Sony Ericsson mobiles, it was the 228 for the Americas, 220C for mainland China, and 220i elsewhere. The handset, as you can see, is in very good condition, a nice pink, working on the Vodafone UK network, so at least it could still be used today. Wasn't anything like any LAN, Bluetooth, GPS, what have you. There were also wasn't any camera, of course, no card slot internally. It only had 500k. It did have a loudspeaker, wasn't particularly good, tried it out. Alert types include vibration, had a composer, you could also have polyphonic ringtones. Did you have this particular mobile in the past, or do you have it now? I'd appreciate you write a comment just down in the comment section there. Battery life for the J220 had a standby time of around 280-300 hours. It also had talk time for around 6 hours. Messaging was through SMS, MMS and EMS. It had a WAP 1.21 browser, a couple of games on. Predictive text, exchangeable covers were possible, and it also had an organizer and a stopwatch. Some recognisable ringtones there. J220 was very basic, very simple mobile phone. It was about 50-55 euros. You could get it in smooth black, sky blue, and obviously the pink you can see there. So if you have this particular mobile, just write a comment in what you liked, what you didn't like. I'd like to take this opportunity and thanking you for taking the time to watch this video. Thanks for watching Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews.